Santimantem.
Yeah.
That's right. The afternoon political show. So I have to need Gabrim and also any education come main can say numeri. Why? Now pom to saying.
Nyamia dom ne mompaibo. Me hoye. Me gidi say mon som hoye.
Yada Kristo ase. Ye bo punuma na nya bone esan se niama ba ko mienu miensa bia ekoso ewo man mu ha ye nyina ye nim. Special prosecutor from the office. Krata watabri ediatia a former PPA boss, Janim Watson J. Oti asemi saying na usifa eteke uposha.
Well, mamindi kan kase say a person a con itia corruption wa Ghana e niema mienu. Yedi kan the law. The second one ye anti-corruption institution. The over jurisdiction muna the law juma. But the anti-corruption institutions no enye juma. There's no way we can fight corruption. The same way the over muna the anti-corruption institutions no enye juma. But laws no enye juma. And also there's no way we can fight corruption. In the Pamno can know the can say I this Nema 2 as I working hand in hand. The fight against corruption uses anti-corruption institutions and then it also uses the laws. And I'm in Okati, Ghana, you can't laws you were more than enough into here any other anti-corruption laws. Your problem is your Ghana. I the anti-corruption institutions. Almost commitment, almost confidence, almost boldness, and their independentness to make sure that the laws are your one, almost to me I implement the laws. Andra Ebetoja say Special Prosecutor's Office. Almost I charge the former PPA boss. I think on 7 or 8 different counts. Now PPA boss is Nathan Ebetoji more than 2 years in it. The idea you're committed to the fight against this corrupt act by now we should have finished getting the result. This thing now me know okay. Meaning investigation it taking place it taking over 2 years. And now me know okay after na special prosecutor the Ababetuja say there are a number of counts against the PPA boss and you know about the prosecution to court. Onya unimu say and now me know okay. The PPA boss last year government and I say judiciary edit to embargo edit to ne account so I cannot say freezing of account. But as we speak, we take one account to me now use the reason why Otuniko use the now was because judgment man not say the account should be frozen. No? The account was to be frozen for a maximum of 12 months. That 12 months, no, it has expired. You know. Then he had access to it. Insecretly, he was able to go and take his money. Question I hear this and it says Special Prosecutor's Office and a Special Prosecutor. Now away for embrace that 12 months, no, ever expire. If indeed he was committed to the fight on this PPA issue, and then not turn up here and making sure that 12 months no last year and Sana or say we're coming out with charges and don't you know he's going to put on the gas on the man. Now, isn't it also ironical and a new strange Kakra just a day after say Ebeto just say Papa no just 1 day after and a special prosecutor and also the Ebeto just say there are charges against the man into the neighbor the caucus. It was just a day after. All we are saying is that state institutions are a fighting corruption, especially Special Prosecutor's Office. They should be up and proactive a bit. But this attitude that almost taking an approach from taking on, there's no way a bit to me in the fight against corruption in this country. We've established our position over and over. The ocean for the Niema aircraft. Special Prosecutor's Office, no, it has become a white elephant. yeah, expected they will be able to fight corruption. Because our commitment is very low when it comes to the fight against corruption. Because our independent mindedness to fight corruption, they don't have it. And the fight against corruption, all rely on the special prosecutor's office. That person will be expecting disappointment because that office, as far as crusaders are concerned, it is a white elephant. These charges are special prosecutor Diababe Yeka, and we've repeated it over and over and over. And it is just a camouflage, and it is just something to take away the attention of Ghanaians, to create the impression that they are committed to the fight against corruption, to create the impression that this PPA issue, they are fighting it. But in reality, they are not committed to it. They are not fighting it.
All right, okay. Wasn't Mami Misao, Asemi, Yen, said ya na okase, Bosumi Dumienu no, Esonye, Emremuno, Etresa Obetimiakwa Yiskano. But now, yen share connection between the Financial Intelligence Center and the Office of the Special Prosecutor, bang no, and Sujina Umienu chain.
Special Prosecutor. Opportunity extend this embargo and a freezing of the account.
12 months, no.
12 months, no. Opportunity extending. And one is what the investigation. Investigation, and into the moment you be a 1 month addition and a 2 month addition. By then, now you need the and Sana obey accessing the because for accessing the it will not augur well for our investigation. They had every right. Question I hear this and say, and yet strange. Say just one day, a day after say Betoja, say Papa Nakako Unisikano, and one quickly special prosecutor they Betoja say there are 7 counts against him. 7 counts against him. And yet then just one day after, because the thing is that look, this PPA issue, the day and the privileged information we get in the position of chief crusader, information this issue of PPA, any citizen in this country expected a special prosecutor with me a fight here. Only Pakona is just a disappointment. And idea, it is just a chess game. They know what they are doing.
Oka said they know what they are doing now, Pacha saying.
The only Pacha say those involved know what they are doing. And yet idea, this fight will get to anywhere. Mark it on the wall. Today's date, the 19th or so. Mark it on the wall. They say the issue pertaining to PPA. And idea because I see the idea. The only question I may be, sir. The only question I may be, sir. And they say, a day, and I guess one day after say a Betoja, and come back Betoja, it would have been a different thing. But just one day, a Betoja said the man has gone for his money. Just one day after, quickly, special prosecutor has come out with a different thing. Changing the focus, taking away our focus. That is all that is happening.
Imano Ameda say you marry Sawa Jibren watch and say much. Why?